Here's my 2014 Can-Am Outlander Max XT for sale that I'm regretfully selling, but we have to get rid of some stuff. So it's 2014, original wheels and tires. It has the $600 upgrade Fox shocks from Can-Am, the 32-gallon trunk box, stock tires, stock wheels. It has the front rack extender from Can-Am along with the original front storage box. It has the Can-Am deluxe fairing with both the mirrors and also a low and a high windshield. We use the high windshield in the summer or the winter time. Has a 25-watt LED spotlight to get you out there just a little farther when you're going down the straight trails. The Can-Am factory headlights are amazing, but I added this on just for a little more light. The machine is in pristine condition. I'm not going to tell you that it has normal scratches and wear, because it does not. The seats are immaculate. Besides the shock upgrade that was done to it, we added a fan override switch so you can turn the fan on anytime you want. And that's kind of cool with the red light, because if you accidentally put the fan switch in the off position and the temp stat tells the fan to come on, it'll turn this red light on and give you a warning. But normally we just keep it in factory setting, but if it's hot out, I like to run the fan the whole time. Keeps your legs a little cooler down here. This is a 2-up machine. You can take the back seat off and put something else there, but I've ridden it for quite a few times as a 1-up rider, and this is just an amazing machine. It's got a humongous storage compartment in the back here. Besides this one, sorry for the camera angle. This 32-gallon Linq box is very cool. Has a third brake light. We stuck a little old Mopar Bumblebee emblem on there because the grandkids call it the Bumblebee. It has both keys, obviously. Sylvania Zevo LED tail lights for extra brightness, and they are super bright. I use all of those. I use those in all of my Can-Ams. My Maverick, my Commander. This is a super nice machine. I hate to get rid of it, but something's got to go, and the wife says this one is very, very fun to ride. And it probably rides better than just about any car you've ever been in. That's it. That's my vid. 1,265 miles. Amazing expedition machine.